Hello and welcome to the Visual Answers YouTube channel. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to tell you about the best way to look after your eyewear. Glasses are both a fashionable and functional accessory, often worn on a daily basis. So here are some easy tips to help you look after your eyewear and keep them in the best condition possible. Always clean your lenses with a microfiber cloth. This is normally included with your new eyewear. Microfiber cloths, like the one seen here, are specifically designed to help remove dirt and grease from your lenses. Avoid the use of tissues or a piece of clothing to try and clean your lenses. You'll notice that the dirt is only moved around the lens rather than cleaning it away. Over time, the use of other items opposed to a microfiber cloth may cause the lenses to scratch and any coatings you have invested in to break down. Ensure you keep your cleaning cloth in good condition by regularly washing it either by hand or machine washing at 30 degrees. Feel free to pop into our practice anytime to simply collect a new one with our compliments. Along with the correct cloth, only use a cleaner that is specific for reflection-free coatings. Simply spray both the front and back of the lenses and gently rub in a circular motion with the microfiber cloth to clean. Whilst wearing your glasses, avoid the use of hairspray and any other aerosols which can leave deposits on your lenses that build up over time and become tricky to almost impossible to remove. Best practice is, if they are not on your face, they should be in a case. This will protect your frame and, most importantly, your lenses from being damaged over time. One of the most common reasons for scratched lenses is because they've been placed lens down onto a surface. Another issue is when there's a breakdown of the coating on the lenses, which can appear as if the coating is crazed or peeling. This is often due to exposure to heat. Most commonly, this heat damage can occur from things that can easily be prevented, such as leaving your glasses on the car dashboard in direct sunlight. When putting on and taking off your frames, it's important ideally to use both hands. This is to prevent any strain or pressure being placed on one side, particularly at the hinge, causing the frames to loosen and splay. You may also notice that one side begins to sit slightly higher up than the other. This will need readjusting by your optician. Your opticians can also perform other adjustments and repairs that are needed, such as the replacement of nose pads which may have become discoloured, as well as the tightening of the frame which may have slacked off over time. We hope you found these simple tips useful for looking after your eyewear. If you have any questions on the maintenance of your glasses, feel free to leave your question in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. It's designed to help you, our valued clients and the wider audience who are interested in eye health and vision with useful up-to-date tips and information.